You have probably experienced situations where someone has hit you, or you have fallen and been injured. Did you know that this releases harmful substances into your bloodstream? If you are in such an unpleasant situation, you are stressed. When a person is injured or undergoes severe emotional stress, their body reacts by releasing various hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline, known as the fight or flight hormone, increases heart rate, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. This is the body's preparation to respond quickly to a threat. Cortisol, on the other hand, helps regulate metabolism, reduces inflammation, and helps control blood pressure. However, prolonged elevation of cortisol levels can lead to various health problems. When a person is stressed, many changes occur in the body. Increased levels of adrenaline and cortisol can cause capillary spasms, which impedes normal blood flow and can lead to tissue damage. The stomach begins to actively secrete gastric juice, which can lead to irritation and even ulceration if the stress lasts long. Metabolic processes are disturbed, which can cause fatigue, decreased immunity, and increased risk of developing various diseases. Interestingly, psychological stress can cause the same physiological reactions as physical trauma. When someone ruins your mood, or you find yourself in a stressful situation at work, school, or home, your body reacts the same way it would if you were physically injured. This can lead to chronic stress, which has long-term negative health consequences. Studies show that prolonged exposure to stress can contribute to cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and myocardial infarction. Stress has also been linked to digestive system problems, including irritable bowel syndrome and gastritis. People who experience chronic stress are also more likely to develop mental health disorders, such as depression and anxiety disorders. It's important to remember that it's not just physical injuries that can trigger the body's stress response. Emotional experiences, such as gossip, criticism, or negative comments, can cause the same physiological changes. When someone ruins your mood, they are actually harming you. When you gossip or tell a person something bad about them, you are ruining their mood and therefore harming them. To reduce the negative effects of stress, it is important to learn how to cope with it. Regular physical activity, meditation, deep breathing, and healthy eating can help reduce stress levels and improve overall health. It is also important to surround yourself with supportive and positive people who help you feel better and cope. There are other techniques that can help manage stress and reduce its negative effects on the body. For example, talk therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can help change negative thought patterns and teach more effective ways of coping. CBT helps people become aware of and change their thoughts, which in turn can reduce stress levels and improve emotional well-being. It is also helpful to make time for hobbies and activities that are enjoyable. This could be reading, painting, walking outdoors, or playing sports. It is important to make time for rest and relaxation to rejuvenate and energize. Social support plays a huge role in stress management. Spending time with friends and family, participating in social activities, and being supported by loved ones can greatly improve your emotional well-being. Studies show that people who have strong social ties are less susceptible to stress and its negative effects. In addition, nutrition also affects stress levels. Consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help keep your nervous system healthy and improve your overall well-being. Avoid excessive consumption of caffeine, sugar, and alcohol, as they can increase anxiety and stress. Sleep is another important factor in stress management. Lack of sleep can exacerbate stress and negatively impact overall health. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night and maintain a regular sleep schedule. You should also pay attention to breathing exercises and relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help reduce stress levels and improve concentration. These practices help to calm the mind and body, creating a sense of calm and peace. Recognizing your boundaries and knowing how to say no is also an important aspect. Often people take on too many commitments, which leads to overload and stress. Learn to prioritize and delegate tasks to reduce your workload and maintain balance in your life. Don't forget the importance of humor and laughter. Laughter is a natural antagonist to stress. It promotes the release of endorphins, the happy hormones that help improve mood and reduce stress levels. Watch comedies, socialize with friends who can make you laugh, and try to see the funny in everyday situations. For those who experience chronic stress and cannot manage it on their own, it is recommended to seek professional help. Psychologists, psychotherapists, and psychiatrists can offer professional help and develop a personalized treatment plan to help you cope and improve your quality of life. In conclusion, understanding how stress and negative emotions affect your body can help you take better care of your health. If you know that certain situations cause you stress, try to avoid them or find ways to cope with them. Remember that your emotional health is just as important as your physical health. By learning how to manage stress and maintain a positive mood, you can improve your overall health and quality of life. Stress is a natural part of life, but it is important to learn how to manage it and minimize its negative effects. Understanding the causes and mechanisms of stress and utilizing various methods to reduce it can greatly improve your physical and emotional health. Be self-aware, take care of your well-being, and remember that you are not alone in your struggle with stress.